Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to style your WP forms without coding. So I created a dummy form here on a dummy page. So we're going to style this without any form of coding. So the thing we're going to do is to go to our WordPress dashboard and make sure we're on plugins. Okay. Now from plugins, we're going to click on add plugin. Now the next thing we're going to do is to add in a plugin, and the name of the plugin is Ultimate Kit for WP Forms. So now that we've searched it, this is the plugin we're going to install by WP Monks. Okay, so we're going to install now. After it's done installing, we're going to click on Activate. Now that it's done activating, all right, let's look at where it is. Ultimate, all right, this is it here. So now that it's done activating, we're going to go back to that dummy page here. And when we go over there, I'm going to reload this first. Now we're done reloading, we're going to click on Customize. Now we're in the Customize section. The next thing we're going to do is to go over to Styler for WP Forms. Over here, we'll click on it. Now we're going to select the forms, which is this form here. So we'll come here, click on Select Form, give it Dummy Form, because that's the name of the form. So after it's done reloading, we can now, you see that our mouse can move over this. All right. Now, over here, you can select add some add-ons here, but it's not really necessary for this video. We're going to click on General Settings. I'm going to set this to enable this option. Remove this. Remove this option if your team is overwriting styles for WP Form styling. Then that is it. We'll click on Publish. And the next thing we're going to do is just select any of these things that we want to style. All right. So let's say we want to style this. We'll click on it. Takes us to this text field and brings us to this area where we can just put in our pixel size for each of them. So let's say we are putting 30 pixel. You'll see how the size have reduced. All right. Oh, let's say we're gonna give it 90 pixel. You see that it increases. Okay. So let's say 100 pixel. It all depends on what you're styling. All right. So I'm gonna clear everything out. It goes back to default. Same way it goes for mobile and tablet. All right. You can still do the designs on mobile and tablet. Okay. Then you can give the font color the color you want. All right. Let's say the text that will be inside it. Okay, the text that will be inside it, you can give it its own font color. Then you can give it its own font color. Then you can give it a border color. Let's say border color of, let's use something that will be more visible. If you see some purple on it. All right. So have some border color on it. Then you can give it like a border size and type of border. All right. So let's say we're giving it a border size of 5 pixel. You see that it has a border size. Now let's say we're giving it a border radius of 5 pixel. 5 pixel. The border, you see the small curvature here, or small curve there. Let's use 50 to be more visible. All right. So it depends on how you want to style it. It's all up to you. Okay. It's all up to you. You can give it a background color. Give it a background color. Okay. So that is it. if you go back to these other areas, form header, you can just play around with some of these stuffs here, play around with it, and you'll be able to like get a good design. Go to form wrapper and give it a font, give it an image, all of that. You can give it a form, you can give it a margin. Let's try giving it a margin of 70 pixel, 70, 70, 70, 70. Okay, let me add pixel, 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 pixel. Then we can come here, do the same for our padding, pixel, pixel, pixel. So after the adding of all the pixels, you will see that it's as reflected. You might not see it too visible, so I'm going to change the background color. Let's give it something black. Is black necessary? Let's just use something like this so you can be able to see what we did here. All right, so here's the padding that is reflecting on it and the margin reflecting on it. So that is it. All you just have to do is come around here, play around with whatever you have here. Even the submit button, you can play around with it, give it a background color on hover. So that's when you hover over the button, it's gonna reflect. All right, look at how it's reflecting. Let's change it to purple. It can come here to reflect to purple. So it's all up to you how you want to align it, how you want it to be. So this is where you can adjust the alignment, the font style. You can come here and work on the font style. All right, so these are just the styles. The font size, you can work on the font size here. Line height, you can work on the line height here. Font color, you can work on the font color here. Over font color, the width, the height, just whatever you want to do, just play around with it here, and you'll be able to style your forms like in a way that you want it to be styled. So I hope this video was helpful. When you're done, just click on publish and it's gonna reflect. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until we meet again, peace out.